heavy, and you have to be a kind of an artist to be able to use it. But in the late 1800s, a guy called Mr. Eastman brought out a camera called the Kodak, and Alfred Stieglitz was really annoyed because now anyone could just start snapping away and using this camera. And also around this time, you had bicycle clubs springing up across America. So not only had you people with their camera over their shoulder, but also you had people cycling off into the countryside, snapping away. So Stieglitz was really annoyed. In fact, Kodak's motto at the time was "You press the button and we do the rest," and he really hated this. So I wanted to write a song about how Alfred Stieglitz felt about the Kodak camera, and this is called "You Press the Button and We Do the Rest." In '83, while in Berlin, I took the chance to ogle at silver plates and bichromats developed by Herr Vogel. And so began a love affair which blossomed into passion for all things photographical, but now my face is ashen. Oh, I refer, of course, to Mr. Eastman's new construction, a regular Pandora's box put into mass production. Those fools who dream they're artists are to me a tad deluded. Just owning your own Kodak doesn't stop you being stupid. Out into the sticks they carry it, every Tom and Dick and Harriet, furiously pedaling upon their chariot. Snap, 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 snap they go. Why they snap they do not know. They disregard discretion, they eschew the right to choose. Like mindless big game hunters, they'll shoot anything that moves. And I don't suggest that you'll progress to better Lumiere, but this clowning with a Browning is frankly more than I can bear. Their rolls of nitrocellulose exposed beyond redemption. It's back to Eastman's factory, oh for God knows whose attention. And then, as if expecting heaven's blessing from the stork, they wait for a delivery postmarked Rochester, New York. Out into the sticks they carry it, every Tom and Dick and Harriet, furiously pedaling upon their chariots. Snap, 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 snap they go. Why they snap they just don't know. You press the button and we do the rest. Well, not unlike that button, I am suddenly depressed. Out into the sticks they carry it, every Tom and Dick and Harriet, furiously pedaling upon their chariot. Snap, 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 snap they go. You're all obsessed with things extraneous, only interested in the instantaneous, till suddenly somebody's muddling up the quickest with the